Hi. How to get a report on delay and actual report for material supplied to customer against customer's sales order in simpliRP ERP. In reports, sales report, pending SO versus invoice. Select the date range. In the top there is a link for summary of due date versus actuals. Click that. In that you can see the summary of delayed quantity supplied and actual quantity supplied against each customer's sales order. In the top there is a link for further invoice-wise breakdown of this report. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your sales department. Thank you.